Hey everybody, it's Nicole B from Bead'n with Nicole B, and we are back with another video. As you can see, I have something here on the table. It is the new Bead'n clay bead spinner kit. As you guys know, I have been working with clay beads in the past couple weeks, but I have been putting them on the stretch cord manually, which means stringing them individually onto the string. Well, this is the remedy for that. Now, of course, if you want to do it manually, you can. It's not a problem. But the bead spinner usually saves you time, right? So today I am going to be doing an unboxing and I am ready to get this thing to use. So if you are here to see the unboxing, stay tuned because it's coming up and we will see which color I chose, right? All right, y'all, let's get going. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox so I can reveal which color I chose. So let's go ahead and open up the box. All right, I'm gonna sit this down so the table does not shake. All right, we're gonna take this out of the box. I'm gonna move the box. Okay. Let's see what we have here. There's quite a few pieces in here to put together. Okay. All right. Haha. We chose the white. How about that? All right. So this is the cap. This is the bowl for the bead spinner. And this is an extra tray that they put in the box so that you could put some extra beads in. So we're going to go ahead and finish unboxing and then we'll put everything together so we can see what we have. Oh, you guys. We have the kit here. This is really nice. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. Okay, put that over there. Let's move that. Okay, so it has a cord. Wow. We have two things of elastic stretch cord. This is very nice. We have plenty for that. We have some shell beads here that comes in the packaging. And then we have the bead kit. Wow. So let's open this up. Okay. And it also comes with tweezers. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Ooh. That's pretty nice. These are our tweezers. Okay. And it just has a little cover so that it stays closed until you're ready to use. So I'll sit that on the side there. And we are going to open up the kit here. Let's see. I need something to open this with. So let's grab the trusted scissors here. And I'm just going to go ahead and trim the little plastic so that we can open the kit. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay, on this side. Sorry, I'm out of frame. Okay. Ooh, look, you guys. Look at that. We'll take this part off. These are so nice. Look, you guys. Look at all of the colors. Isn't that nice? So this is the kit, and this is what came with it. So nice. Oh my goodness. There's a pair of scissors in here for the cord, for the stretch cord. I'm just going to use this to pull out the packaging here. We have 2 spots that have some letters, the letter beads, right? Those always come in handy. And then we have all of these different colors here. We actually have gold findings, some charms, and all of that good stuff, right? I love it. So we're going to get into this. I'm just doing an unboxing right now. Some more findings. These are lobster clasps, actually. All right. Okay. All right. And then here is the bead, the needle, the bead needle that comes with the kit. And it actually has 2 of them. It's pretty cool. Okay, so we'll be opening this up and using it very soon. Okay, and then here's your cord, USB cord, okay? And this is gonna connect to the port on your bead spinner, and then you can plug it in with this end of it, okay? So we're gonna put this to the side, and then we're going to put our spinner together. So this is what it looks like, you guys. Here are the controls, right? This is the speed controls and it directional, however, you know, whichever way you want to spin it. That's what this does. And then this one is the speed. You can minimize the speed or you can increase the speed, okay? Now we're going to put our tray. This is the bead tray. Okay, and that's what it looks like at the bottom. It attaches to the hub here. Okay, so we're gonna put it on. Let's see. It should not be, went right on, see? Okay, that's what it looks like. Okay, and this is the finishing cap. You just put it right on top. And voila, we have our bead spinner, right? Isn't that nice? I'm pretty excited to use this, right? So that's really the entire contents of the packaging. Like I said, we have our needle, we have our tweezers. They sent a pair of scissors in the kit, okay, if you don't have scissors. And we have our cord, 2 things of elastic cording. Our stretch cord, we have 2 of those. And of course, the shell beads that came as a part of findings, okay? And then again, this is the tray. You can put extra stuff in the tray so that you already have another tray prepared when you run out in your other tray, okay? So that is our unboxing for our bead spinner, you guys, for the clay bead spinners. I am so excited to put this to use, and we are going to have some fun. We are going to make so many bracelets out of our clay beads. I'm actually going to plug up the spinner now. We'll plug it in so we can see what it's like to cut it on. Okay. I'm going to take this off for right now. All right, and it plugs in right back here. So we're gonna plug it in, and it snapped in. Okay, and then we are going to, let's see. All right, it is on. And then see how it changed directions? So now it's spinning clockwise, but now it's spinning counterclockwise. Pretty neat. I think it's pretty neat. All right, and then I slowed it down. I actually slowed it down to the point it stopped. Now I'm gonna speed it back up. You can do slow. You can continue to increase to medium. Right, that's pretty cool. And then we can go a little higher. And then I'm going to take it all the way up. And that is our clay bead spinner. Yes, pretty cool. And in order to turn it on, you're gonna put your knob in the center of the two directional indicators, okay? And that's how you cut it on and off. So when you want to cut it back on, you just turn it to whichever direction and it just comes on automatically. And it actually has a section for batteries down here, right? So if you want to use it with batteries, that would be nice as well, because then you wouldn't have to worry about the cord. But if you don't have any batteries, then you have your cord, okay? And it snaps right back in place, okay? And that, you guys, is the bead spinner. I like it. Sorry, wrong cap. I'm excited. Let's see. This is how it looks with the shorter one. Okay. So you can use it like that. And it's not as deep as this one is. This is the deeper one. And this is the more shallow. So you can use it with either one. The cap goes on for either one. Okay. So I like it. It's really nice. I can't wait to use it. We're going to be using it in a different video. So stay tuned for that. And again, we have our kit that comes with it. The bead spinner. Let's move that. Then we have our kit right here with all of the lovely clay beads. They even have rainbow color of clay beads in here as well. There's 3 different rainbow colors that's mixed with multiple colors at once. Then we have all the rest of solid colors. So yeah, this is a really nice kit. I can't wait to use it. I can't wait to show you guys what we come up with. And I'm so excited. I keep saying I'm excited because I am excited. Okay. So I thank you for joining this video on today. Thank you for stopping by. And I look forward to making some more clay beads. Yes, I am excited. I'm looking forward to all of the fun that we're going to have. I hope you enjoyed this video. So stay tuned for more videos to come. Thank you. Bye.